Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm on bloxburg today. And why is that little girl falling? Okay, anyway, this is my home. I just built it. I finished it last night. Well, besides the backyard, that'll be a separate video. Anyway, this is my home. Let's go in. There's a doorbell. And then there's a sign that says home sweet home. These are the doors. This is my kitchen. I just cook here. Anyway, this is the pantry where we keep all the food. This is a picture. And here says dining room. So this is the dining room. As you can see. Okay, this way it says the living room. So here's the living room. Basically, there's couch, chairs, a bunch of toys, a TV, a lot of pictures, books and stuff. A crib for the baby because Parker needs somewhere to sleep. So, this is upstairs, right? This is upstairs, right? I forgot something though. Gotta go back downstairs real quick. Hold up, I forgot something. This leads to outside, so I said to go play outside. But I forgot to show you this corner. I totally forgot about it. This is do not enter because I'm pulling a prank on one of my friends. So do not question the do not enter sign. It's just I'm pulling a prank on one of my friends. So this is a long hallway that has things in here, like the downstairs bathroom, the laundry room, where I do everyone's clothes. This is the garage. There's 3 bikes here, a car, a wagon, a skateboard, and a stroller. This is Anyway, here, if you guys want what's in here, it is just a long hallway leading to outside to get to the backyard, but the backyard is not finished, so I'm not showing that. Anyway, back upstairs. First thing you see are these books and stuff, but there's an office. It's my office. Oh, and there's a picture of me, of a computer and everything for important business. Now if we go this way, it's the guest room. There's a bed, a computer, a closet, and everything. In here is the guest bathroom. Just a simple guest room. Over here is mom's room, and that's my room, my bedroom, as you guys can see. Yeah, this is my bedroom. Going through the door, this is my bathroom. Let me just close that. As you can tell. Oh, I'm getting gloomy. I'm tired. You know, that's fine. Let's just, sleep. Yeah, that's what you do in a bed, right? Go to sleep. I'm kidding. Anyway, moving on. This is Parker's room. It's a little baby's room. There's a cute little unicorn. I know he's a boy, but he's a baby, so it doesn't really matter. Here's his crib, some books, a changing table, a bunch of toys, a little table, and more toys. And this is where his clothes are stored. And here is Isaac's room. He has this bed, a desk under it. He has his closet, a bunch of toys, a bunch of cars, and more toys. He has a computer over here, This is his room. Over here is Hay's room. Haters. It's very girly. There's clothes, books. There's a bunch of toys, her bed, and nightstand. This is your room. Sorry. This is a bathroom. It's just a casual bathroom. The usual. Okay, that's the side of the house. Literally. Oh, I forgot to close these. Let me close this real quick. Yeah, this is the other side of the house. This is the playroom. The pretend kitchen, a table to sit at. They can do your hair. They can wash your hair. They have some toys and toys. And they can even do your makeup and stuff like that. Oh, and here is a long hallway to get to the balcony. Yes, I have a balcony. Here's an extra room that will have a sign over it soon. Oh, you can sleep. I didn't mean to do that. I think I'm gonna make the bed now. I'm about to make the bed. I want the presentable. Sorry about that. It's an extra room. Yeah, there's a bunch of plants and stuff. And clothes. Over here is George's room, JoJo's room. He has a bunk bed because he has a front over, a bunch of cars because he's so into cars, his wardrobe, all his clothes, toys, and a computer to game because he's always gaming. Okay, this is Ant's room. This is Ant's room, Anthony's. This is his bed. He's a teenager, so he needs more space. He has a computer. He has no toys because, again, he's a teenager. He doesn't want to play with toys. But yeah, this is his room. And last but not least, this is the bathroom. Just another casual bathroom. Looks like the other one. Nothing special. It's just we figured decided the house needed a bathroom too. This is our house tour. This is our new home where we'll be living and doing a bunch of role plays. Yeah. Like, this is what it looks like. This is what it is. Nothing too special. It's a regular home. It's pretty big though. It's raining. It's fantastic. Anyway, here is, yeah, that's the house. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want. You don't have to. Love you all. Bye. See you guys next time. Give this video a big thumbs up.